I'm so nervous I'm gonna die to the wave. Like that. Like, it's so easy to just mess up 95. I'm so scared.
And I forgot to stop recording. I was too mad to stop the recording. I was like, nah. Yo, are you in the mood to solve some riddles?
Not really. I'm in the mood to cry while playing Black Blizzard. Like, I will go to Kamal's house and delete his existence.
Here is a riddle, Bones. You see a boat filled with people, yet there isn't a single person on board. How is that possible?
Okay, my brain isn't smart. Yeah, I heard you, but I'm also not smart enough for riddles.
All the people on the boat are married, because there isn't a single person on the... One time, I made a bomb. I went to jail for like 5 days. I met some weird-ass kids. You don't know. I met this one 9-year-old who like bit everybody. I don't know if it turned him on or it was like he did it out of anger. I don't know.
It probably did turn him on.
Probably.
Yeah, 9-year-olds need to be turned on. I did 63 to 100. I'm too good at this game. No one can stop me. Like, I'm just too good. Are you okay?
I am fantastic. Thank you for asking.
Sometimes I wonder. Yeah, this level's impossible. I don't know how I have any progress on it. 51 to 100. I'm so good.
You're by far the best player in this game, and will most likely be the best player we'll ever have. I have so many fucking clips I've edited. Holy shit. This is gonna take literally months. TRG be like.
TRG with 3 streams be like.
Black Blizzard. Yeah. Black Blizzard is a yeah level.
Definitely. I don't know what that means, but sure. That was dumb. 39 to 98.
Ouch. Ouch, 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 ouch.
What the hell?
You just got 39 to 100?
No, I just got 25 to 100.
Wait, actually?
Yes. That was one attempt. That was literally one attempt. If anyone thinks Black Blizzard is an insane demon, I will stab them.
Why are you so obsessed with stabbing people?
Because stabbing people is fun. Have you never stabbed somebody before?
That one, yeah, I definitely need to arrest this guy. His name is Bones, is dumb.
No, you don't need to arrest me. I swear, I've only stabbed my ex. That makes it better.
Future home.
$56. James Cso and Noxism, when are you gonna beat it?
Now. Right now.
Okay, awesome.
I just beat an Oxygen, let's go.
Let's go! GG, first extreme.
Let's go. I can do Paroxysm. That's probably easier.
Paroxysm is on the list.
Yeah.
What do you mean you could probably do paroxysm?
I can't do an oxygen, but I can do peroxism.
I can't do an Oxygen, but I can do Titan Comp.
I can't do Black Blizzard, but I could probably do Tartarus.
Ooh, I can't do an Oxygen, but I might be able to do Sephiroth.
I really wanted to beat it that attempt because that would have been really funny. The last thing you hear before I deafen, I can't beat Anoxism, but I could probably beat Sephiroth.
I don't want to play Obelisk anymore.
Yeah, why would you want to play a superior in GD level? That's just, oh, what? You can die there? Okay, awesome. Didn't know that. You better feel honored if I beat Black Blizzard with just you and Call.
I most definitely will feel honored.
Feel honored that I spent all this time just for you.
I hear the Oro song.
Yes, you do.
Are you playing Oro?
No, I'm playing Black Blizzard.
But why is the Ouroboros song playing?
Because I replaced Dimension.
Why?
Because I hate...
It's a completely separate song.
I hate Dimension! So I put on the Aura song. Oh, yeah, after Black Blizzard, one more extreme, and my top 10 will be all extremes. Incipient will be number 10 once I beat 2 more extremes. That's so weird to think about. Remember when Incipient was my 3rd hardest?
Yeah, I do remember. That wasn't that long ago.
That was back in October. Like, it was just October, and Incipient was my 3rd hardest. Glide was still my hardest.
Oh, the dark times.
Glide was my hardest for what, 2 months? Did anyone expect I would beat a hardest that fast after Glide?
I don't know why you did, but you did.
I'm glad I did. I mean, I beat one of the best levels in the game, so...
That is some obstructive deco. I hate when levels do that.
Me too. Wanna know why I hated Black Mirror? So I tried to go back to Black Mirror on my tablet to see if it was any better than I remember. I still got mad because it's just a bad level. He didn't fix so much shit. Like, there's so many blind clicks, there's so many bugs, there's so many choke points. Like, he just didn't fix it. And he said the ending was funny. That's why he didn't change it. That's not that's a terrible reason. If you fluke it, it's funny.
That's just a dick move.
Like, if you fluke it, it's funny. But yeah, your hardest is an extreme demon. You gotta think about the people whose hardest aren't extreme demons and are trying to get into insane demons. He called it a fucking hard demon, too.
I should play Black, I should most definitely not play Black.
Why not?
Because it's too hard.
True.
We say while.
I died to the void. No!
Wait, do I need to click something?
Yeah, you need to click your mouse. And I used to be the guy who never thought that I'd beat something harder than Butiti 2.
Well, that's the guy I am currently. Moral of the story: don't do hardest.
Exactly.
Don't do hardest.
Exactly. Why would you ever do a hardest? Like, hardests are stupid.
Exactly.
Like, that's why I don't play Black Blizzard. That's why I'm not playing Black Blizzard. It was bound to happen at some point. It's a really good thing I died when I did, because my mom came knocking on the door about 5 seconds later. That would not have been good. Like, I don't know if I'm gonna have a loud reaction to this, but I don't want to have a loud reaction while my mom's in the room.
Oh wow, this looks like a Noble Boy part, but it's not.
Oh yeah, I know what you're talking about.
It literally looks like Noble Boy's part in...
Subterranean Animism.
Yeah, it literally looks like that. Down to the block design and everything.
I know.
And down